Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Google Drive app on your phone. So to use Google Drive on your phone, you need to install Google Drive from Play Store and install on your phone. So after installing it, you click on Drive icon on your phone. Then you log in with your Gmail accounts and password to have access to your Google Drive accounts. Here's my interface. So to use it, we have search field in Drive tab. This field will help you to locate or search a file or folder and easy to access it. And we have recent, we have suggestion tab. This will show you the recent file or folder that have been opened recently. When you click on suggestion tab, and we have notification tab. This will notify you. And we have recent. This will preview all the recent files that have been opened. So to share any file in your Google Drive, you click the clear icon and you can click shared or manage people and link. Copy link. We have offline tab. This will show you all offline file. We have a bin. This will show you all the files that have been deleted from your Google Drive accounts. And we have backup. This will help you to back up your phone onto your Google Drive. We have setting tab. This will help you to make settings. You will find amount of storage device that you have used, or you can choose themes if you like dark themes or light themes. You go to settings, and we have help and feedback tab. This will help you to know any feedback from Google. And we have storage. This will show you the amount of storage that you have been used in your Google Drive. Here you can upgrade your storage device from 15 gig any amount, paying a premium fee. We have backup storage. You can use it to backup, and we have home tab. This will preview to home, and we have shared. This will help you to share any file for easy access. To share file, you click and then you click shared. This will show the file on the shared tab for easy access. And we have find all the shared. Then we have files. This will show all files or folders that have been created on your Google Drive accounts. We have computer. This will show you all the files from your computer that you have connected to your Google Drive for easy backup. And we have last tab, and click on, you can use that to create a folder, upload a file from your phone to, or you can use it to scan a file to your Google Drive accounts. important. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel to receive an update. Thank you.